Hello friends, today I want to introduce 4 drawing apps and explain which one of these apps is better for beginners. All these programs work on Android, and you can safely use them on your phone. Today I want to explain about Ibispaint, Clip Studio Paint, Sketchbook, and Medibang Paint. Since many people ask me which drawing app is better, or I work with this app but I can't draw, I decided to make this introduction video, so let's explain the first app. The first is Medibang Paint app. The initial environment of this program is relatively good. All the tools are together, and this is very good. And the pen tools. But wait, I can't find different pen tools. Why can't I find the Pens Tools option?
A few moments later.
Well, after 5 minutes of trying, I was able to find the models of the pens. It was really hard to find. The types of pens seem very good. All the different models of the pens are here for free, and this is really good. From pencils to watercolor is also in its options. There is a lot of variety, but it's a bit sad that they don't put the pictures of the pen models next to the pens. If you have watched my video, you will really help me if you subscribe and hit the bell. The other options that we can see are all clearly arranged together. The option to make manga, and this program is relatively suitable for beginners. Maybe it will take some time, but you can easily use it. In my opinion, this app is for professionals and for those who have some knowledge about digital painting, but it is not a good app for those who are completely new because it is professional. But if you take the time, you can learn to work with it. And in response to the fact that this app is suitable for beginners, 50-50. I know I gave a vague answer, but this app is good for both beginners and professionals, so it depends on whether you are comfortable working with it or not. The next app, Clip Studio Paint, this app, which is very famous, has 2 modes. One is X and Pro. By nature, the Pro mode is the professional mode, so it is better for beginners to choose the X mode. When we enter the program, I see the recommendations of other artists, and even training, 3D models, and really, I love this part of the program. It is very useful. There are many options in this program. and it may be very confusing at first, because this program was first for Windows. The program modes are difficult to work with. Well, the fact that you have to add the pens you want to your save pen yourself is a bit annoying, and the location of the tools is not convenient. It looks a bit like Photoshop, and in my opinion, it is difficult to work with it for beginners, even me. I know it's hard to work with these apps, but since the program itself has a shop, we can buy all the different fonts, and this is good. But the program is not free, and this is still annoying. This app is not good for beginners. The next app is Sketchbook, in my opinion, out of all these programs. If you are a complete beginner and new to digital, the best is Sketchbook, because the first time you enter the app, all the tools are clearly next to each other, and the pens tools placed are next to each other. And the place of layers is best, and this makes the work much easier. But if we are to pay attention to its bad points, it is that the number of pen tools is not enough, and it doesn't have a variety of pens like the previous two programs. And the positive point is that this program itself leaves a coloring palette for us, and easily. You can find any color you want in it, and this is very, very good. But this app, as the name suggests, is mostly good for sketching. If you plan to study manga design, I think it is not the right app because it is mostly good for sketching. And is this program good for beginners or not? The answer is yes. The next painting app is Ibispaint. Those who subscribe to my channel know that I use this app, and it is my favorite app. I can say that this app is a good app for beginners because it's not too simple and not too professional. The program is clearly arranged with explanations, and the moment you enter the app, you will understand what all these tools are for. But it has one disadvantage. It may be difficult to find the location of the layers the first time, but after working with it once or twice, you can easily use it. The next positive point of this program is that it has a very, very large variety of pens. And don't worry about the pens tools being locked. You can unlock it and use them by watching a video. This app is just like the previous three apps, but it doesn't have a market like Clip Studio Paint, but instead you can add a pen by adding codes, and all the tools of this program are shown in shape. And this is a great help to those who are new to digital painting. They start. As a result, the Ibispaint program is great for beginners who want to become professionals later. My general suggestion is that if you want to work in the style of anime and manga, Ibispaint X is the best app for beginners who want to become a professional later. And if you want to work with sketches, oil paints, etc., it is the best sketchbook app. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this video has helped you. If you know a good drawing app, let me know in the comments. If you have watched my video, you will really help me if you subscribe and hit the bell.